have seen an incubator or you have been in the hatchery business, anytime the bird hatch and come out from the shell, what does it do? It will shake. Is that not true? Until the legs will be strong. Is that not true? What is the next thing the bird will do? It will go to the one for shade. Yes. Above all, by the time the bird shake and they have a strong feet on the ground, it will go to the one to have a shade. If you go to that place that they want for shade, the mother hen, if you discover when you bring your birds from Canton as a poultry farmer, you discover that those birds poo. So you can be writing because you don't have it like this before. Now, nature has made it. God has made it that when these birds are inside the shell, there is a retained food product in their stomach. Do you understand me? If you get day-old birds that have not eaten anything, you dissect it, you discover that the stomach is not free of contents. If you put heat for them, and they are in a hot environment, a heated environment, and they begin to drink water, that heat environment helps to melt, dissolve that food particles in their abdomen. That is why I can give you 100 birds, and I give you 100 birds. Some of the time you complain, my bird is not growing well. The other person also took the same bird from the same factory, from the same factory. It's only new well. If you don't incubate birds very well, that retains food particles in their stomach, begin to ferment in their stomach, and become a health risk to those birds. That's why you use your birds highly on mortality and their immunity system goes down. So now, how do you do your own? After providing the heat, what else do you do? Sure. Yes. Do you give them glucose? Yes. Do you immunize them?
Yes.
How healthy are immunized birds for consumption? Like go to YouTube and go and find out. I said, how healthy are immunized birds for human consumption? Because we expect you to have 200 birds, no mortality. And somebody can stay here and ask me, is it possible? The answer is, go to my YouTube and see poultry farms of 60,000 capacity, 20,000 capacity that are on our instruction. Go there and ask them about mortality. Go there and ask them. Find out. Let me start that what God has done in their brain is a natural thermometer. Theirs is enough for a lot of water. Is that true? Yes. Do they will be? No. So the lot of water they drink, how they will receive from their body? Who can tell us? From their poo-poo? From where? From their poo. I need an answer here.